Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this garden arch trellis for pumpkins. First I wanted to show you how we got our 16-foot cattle fence into the truck. You just go ahead and stick that side in there and then curve it up so it almost looks like a wagon. And then you just want to be sure that you put a lot of straps to strap it to your truck and strap it to each other, but it didn't even move at all. And we got that at Tractor Supply for $34.99. My trellis is up. My husband just drove in 2 T-posts on this side, and then we fed it through. We fed the fence through, you can see. We put it in there, and then we put it in up here. So you should not need zip ties if you do that, because that is pretty dang sturdy. And then he drove 2 more on this side, and we did the same thing. And ours is about 5 or 6 feet apart. And I love it. So now I am going to plant my pumpkins. I've dug some holes on each side. I just dug a trench on that side and a trench on that side. Here are my seeds that I'm going to plant. I got these little tiny mini pumpkins because they're so cute. And then I really like these pumpkins because they were white and orange. And I got both of these at Tractor Supply. Here is the finished product, and from what I've understand, 4th of July is the perfect time to plant your pumpkins. So I will be giving you updates about how mine are going, and they should be ready for Halloween. And I also got some solar lights. I'll be showing those to you too as soon as I get them and get them on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!